inspiration. Everybody needs a soul. Beautiful melody when the night's so long. 'Cause there's no guarantee that this life is easy. Yes, when my world is falling apart and there's no light to break up the dark, and I look at you when the waves are flooding the shore. I can't find my way home anymore. That's when I look at you. When I look at you, I see forgiveness, I see the truth. You love me for who I am, like the stars on the moon, right there when they belong. And I know I'm not alone, yeah, when my world is falling apart, there's no light to break up the dark. That's when I look at you when the waves are flooding the shore, and I can't find my way home anymore. That's when I look at you. You appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors, like me everywhere I take. Don't you know you're beautiful? When the waves are flooding the shore, I can't find my way home anymore. That's when I look at you. I look at you. Yeah, yeah. Oh, and you appear just like a dream. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Four Fingers back with you again. I do apologise for what you've just heard. Singing is just for reference only, okay? This was a dare. Somebody actually dared me to do this song. So here it is. It's a song called When I Look at You from Miley Cyrus. One of the rare modernish songs that I've done recently. Okay. I'm in standard tuning, but I have a capo on fret 6. This enables us to play open type chords. Okay, no, I think there's only one bar chord in it, I think, really. Okay, the way I played it. So it was in the key of F sharp, which is the original key of the recording. Now, I stand corrected, but I think this is also a theme song from a movie. But I can't be. Something tells me it's from a movie, but I could be wrong there. But yeah, so hopefully by the time you've stopped laughing at my performance, I probably will hopefully made the lesson. Okay, thanks for bearing with me on this one. Okay, and I'll see you hopefully in the lesson. Bye for now.